Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be laminating my eyebrows. Whoa, my hands are really orange. Oh my god, there's a fly. So for some of you guys that don't know what laminating your eyebrows is or what it does, it's basically a perm for your eyebrow hairs to make them stand up and look more like fluffy. That's not obviously the correct term of what it is, but that's how I can really explain it. And also, I'm not a professional. I've never done this on anybody, and I've actually never done this on myself before. I just kind of heard about it and seen people get it professionally done, so I was like, let me try it by myself. So I went on Amazon and I found a kit and I just bought it, and honestly, why not just try it? I've seen some people do it and it wasn't bad, so I decided let me just record it because I was gonna do it anyway, so I just thought it'd be fun to just like make a video on it. But before I do get into this video, I do want to say thank you guys so much for the support on the last few videos that I did. I got so much love from so many women. That makes me really happy because it just shows me that there is women that really do love to support each other, and that makes me really happy. And so I just want to say thank you guys so much because I really do appreciate that, and it makes me way more excited to make videos. So I just wanted to say that. So now we're gonna get into my eyebrows. Okay, so this is the kit that I bought from Amazon. It just says brow lamination by, I don't know how to say that, but that's what it is. And then on the back it gives you like all the instructions, like part 1 through 9. I'm sorry if it's not focusing, but it's not anything you guys want to see. And then it came with this little box. It's just like plastic film that I'm gonna have to put on my eyebrows for like each step. So like I said, you guys, I didn't really even like look through this or read anything. I'm just gonna try it with you guys on camera, so if it doesn't turn out good, I'm still gonna post it because it takes time and I'd rather just show you guys the real results of what it really looked like. So yeah, I believe it's a 7-step process. So yeah, let me see, this is how it looks inside, by the way. As all these, let's just jump right in. So I know obviously you can't have like any makeup on the eyebrow area. I'm just gonna wipe my eyebrows off and we'll get into the video. So I'm using a makeup wipe. And honestly, you guys, I only have like 4 hairs. So if this doesn't go good, I'm screwed. And it's just eyebrow hair. I mean, actually it does take really long to grow back, so I shouldn't make it seem like it's nothing. Oh my god, ew. You guys, I don't look okay without filling in my eyebrows. But we're gonna fix that today. I'm determined to make my eyebrows look decent. I will say I did get my eyebrows microbladed. I feel like it was like a year ago, but I just didn't go back for my touch-up, and that was totally my fault because the person was amazing. So I should go back and just do it all over again and actually go when I'm supposed to. Okay, so it says step 1, using the #1 cleanser lotion to clear off the oil, dust, and makeup residue on eyebrows. So that's right here. It's this thing right here. It just says cleanser. By the way, you guys, if I sound weird, it's because I still can't really breathe from my nose. It's very stuffed and swollen, and I am still very swollen, so don't mind my nose right now. But that's why I sound weird if I do sound weird. I can't smell it. I'm probably like inhaling bad things. And I'm just gonna wipe whatever is on. Got some makeup off, but I feel like that was my spray tan that just came off, not my... You guys, I'm not orange at all. Like, I actually have a bronze spray tan, but it's showing really orange on my camera, and then I have like a lot of lights around me, so it just looks really weird, but I promise it's actually a really nice spray tan. Step 2 is apply the glue on the brows, and then brush brows by Y-shaped brush, covering the cling film on brows for 10 minutes. When the products are like processing on my eyebrows, I'm not gonna sit here in front of the camera because I have to do it 4 times and it takes 10 minutes. So it's like, it's gonna be a long video, but I obviously don't want it to be long, so I'm not gonna record me chilling and waiting for it to process. So apply the glue on the brows. So this is the glue. apply it on my brows. And if anyone's watching this that does this professionally, don't judge me, because again, I'm literally doing this for fun. And if I'm doing something wrong, then comment below and like let me know. But yeah, it's not that serious. Okay, so it says take the wide brush. So this is the, let me show you guys the brushes. It comes in this little box. A little ASMR moment. Wow, that was nice. Okay, so this is how the brush looks. And this is like literally where the, and I want to brush my brows up the way that I would, oh, that got hard a little bit. Oh my god, this hurts. You guys, is this supposed to hurt? It is though. Alright, I'm gonna brush them up the way that I want them to look. I don't know if this is the part that's gonna like make them stay. I feel like that's like the perm part, but I'm sure this like helps. If I lose one of my eyebrow hair, I have to stop the video. You guys think I overdid it? So after that, I take some, it's just like a plastic, this is what it is. I took enough for my whole brow. Oh, that should be good. So I'm gonna cover my brows for 10 minutes, and when I'm done with this part, I'll come right back and do the next step. Okay guys, so I think it's been about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna take this clear plastic off. And the next step is to use the perm, which I think this is like what makes your eyebrows actually stay that way. I'm gonna just dip some with my Q-tip. Doesn't say how much you're supposed to use or anything like that, so I'm just gonna put some on the eyebrows, which it says apply promotions on the brows and cover them. Okay, so I don't need to use the brush again, so I'm just gonna put some on the brows. I feel like, ow, I feel burning a little bit, but I'm just gonna do this brow. I guess you're not supposed to use a lot. They look a little crazy right now and just like sticking up too much, but that's okay because one, I do like that look anyway, and I can trim them to make them look a little less crazy, which I will at the end. I'm gonna go back and kind of just like fix them, which I should have done before, but I've never done this before. I've just, now looking at them, I feel like I should have done that, but that's okay. So I'm gonna go back again and put more. I took a new one, by the way, another clear plastic. So I have to wait 10 minutes after I apply. Do you guys see that fly? Like, is it good? Okay, so I'm gonna keep this on my brows and I'm just gonna chill for another 10 minutes and I'll be right back. It's been 10 minutes since I've had the perm on my eyebrows. So I'm gonna take, and now I'm going to apply this fixation. It's like a lotion or whatever. It's not telling me to like wipe anything off as I go, but for now I'm just going to take some of this and just apply it. I feel like people that do hair will like know what I'm doing, because it's probably very similar to when you get like a hair perm. And I'm just going to cover my brows again. And I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay guys, so that's been 10 minutes since I've had the fixation lotion. So the next step is to remove this. So I have to clean everything off now. So I'm gonna go back to the first cleanser that I used, and then I'm gonna just clean everything that I have on my eyebrows, which I'm really excited to do because it just feels so weird on my eyebrows. Ooh, I already like it. I don't know if you guys can already tell, but so far I could tell that it just looks like more full and bushy, which I like when my eyebrows look bushy. I don't know if that's like the right term. I just like that look when they aren't perfect and they're just sticking up and like all over the place, because I just feel like it's such a natural look rather than just having a straight drawn in line. So the last step is to put keratin treatment, which has like nutrients in it. It's a lotion. So I put that on my eyebrows and I'm gonna cover them again for 10 minutes, and that's actually the last step, so I'm gonna do that. It kind of looks like vegetable oil. I need to just live with the fact that my eyebrows are not as thick and luscious. So now that I have that on, I'm gonna put this on my eyebrows for the last time. Okay guys, so I'm all done. I just took off the plastic. I haven't done anything to them yet, so this is exactly how they turned out. So yeah, so far I really love them. I'm gonna keep them like this and see how it looks. I'm gonna see if it actually stays like this tomorrow after I wash my face. But for now, I'm really happy with them. I'm gonna do another close-up. So my eyebrows basically never stand up straight. They're like always to the side, and like they just never look fluffy. I feel like it worked more on this eyebrow because I brushed this one up more. I feel like if I brushed this one up a little bit more, it would have worked, but I'm happy with them. So we'll see how it looks after I fill in my eyebrows and everything else. But that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you guys soon.